Craving something rich and creamy? Today we're making butter chicken that's absolutely packed with flavor, and it's easier than you might think. Let's get started. We'll start with the marinade. In a bowl, take 700 grams of boneless, bite-sized chicken pieces. Pour in half a cup of thick yogurt. Add 2 tablespoons of a fresh paste of ginger, garlic, green chili, and turmeric. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes. Add 1 teaspoon of Garam masala. Follow with 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Add half a teaspoon of Kalwanji. Pour in a tablespoon of lemon juice. Season with salt to taste. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring each piece of chicken is well coated. Cover the bowl and let it marinate for at least an hour, or for deeper flavor, leave it overnight. In a pan, melt 100 grams of butter over medium-low heat. Add the marinated chicken to the pan. Cover and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes or until the chicken is tender. Now increase the heat to high and cook until the extra water evaporates. Once done, transfer the cooked chicken to a plate and set it aside. Now, let's prepare the gravy. Start by melting 150 grams of butter in the pan again. Add 2 finely chopped medium onions. Sauté until the onions turn a light brown. Lower the heat and add 2 tablespoons of ginger, garlic, green chili, and fresh turmeric paste. Cook for a couple more minutes to release the flavors. Pour in tomato puree made from 2 to 3 tomatoes, mixing gently. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes. Follow with 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Season with salt to taste. Give everything a good mix. Cover the pan and let it cook on medium-low heat for 4 to 5 minutes. Now add half a cup of cashew paste. This paste is made by soaking half a cup of cashews for 2 to 3 hours, then blending with a little water. Mix everything well. Pour in 75 milliliters of water to adjust the consistency. Add the cooked marinated chicken back into the pan. Stir well to coat the chicken with the rich gravy. Cover and let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Add 1 cup of fresh cream for extra richness. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavors. Give everything a thorough mix. Cover once more and cook for about 5 minutes to let all the flavors blend. Give it 1 last stir to ensure it's perfectly combined. Garnish with fresh ginger and green chili slices. Your butter chicken is ready to serve. Enjoy it with naan, roti, or steamed rice. Thanks for joining me today as we made this irresistible butter chicken. Be sure to watch our other videos, and as always, have a wonderful day.